fire, we lick all us bricks. I killed your homie, now I'm with you blue like the Knicks. I told you I'm with the shits, 30 in my clip. I upped it in blue like a crib, but I'm down to tell on with the.
Ooh. Ooh. What it do, my little dots, nigga? You already know what it is. You do my dots, stand up. You standing up? Hey, hey. Like that! Young nigga back here with another story time. This gonna be a story time. How I got some slurpy slurp. My head look, but not my head. Cracking like an egg. Losing my virginity. You feel me, dog? Yeah, let's get into the story time. Man, it all started when I was 13 years old. I had this little girlfriend. She was thick, thicker than a snicker. She was white. Used to love my little white girl. So one day she just told me to come over out of the blue. I ain't had nothing else to do, so shit, why not? So I'm walking to her house, I don't know why I walked to this little bitch house, man. This little bitch was like a good 30-minute walk, man. I'm tweaking, doing all this for some cooter. So when I get there, all hell break loose. No, I'm just playing. I ain't even think I was finna fuck at first, man. So I just went there. We was over there watching TV, trying to get my little feel along. She kept moving my hands. So I'm just trying to lose my virginity, man. Just let me lose my virginity. So I'm just saying that thing. And I just walked all the way over here. For nothing at all. So I'm just thinking like, damn, I'm finna tell Woody, I'm finna bounce, man. She finna bounce. So I'm sitting there contemplating on how I'm finna tell Woody. Like, we're trying to leave, we're trying to skedaddle, man. Like, man. So I'm just saying that thing. I'm just figured out, I'm finna just tell her. Why I tell her, like, man, I'm finna skedaddle, man. She was like, no. So I look at Shorty, hit her with the, what you trying to do? Whatever. Then she just standing there rubbing on my meat. I'm just staking up my head. Like that! Put my hand on her thighs. Then you know what happened after that. The word cannot lie. Oh my God. I just pulled out my meat, bro. I pulled out my meat out of nowhere, dude. She grabbed that hoe like, you sure you ain't 100% horse? Hey! So she finally throwing on the music. So I just get to rub it on her leg. She getting moist. So my meat still out and everything. So I just finally pulled out her pan. She hit me with that. I already know it. She just. I'm like, oh shit, this whole advanced. She was 15, I was 13. Doing shit as a young, you already know. So I whipped it out. Well, it was already out, so I just got it in my hand. About a minute go by, I finally get that bitch in there. She said, okay. Yeah. It's in your spine. Your spine. Spinal. Feeling like that nigga. So I did what I did. I bust my nut. All over her nothing, nigga. It was in a condom. So still a one. Brag, but man, that walk home was the happiest walk I ever went, nigga. I was just sitting there, just feeling myself, you know, to that coochie dance. I do this for coochie. You just be feeling yourself. So I'm like, yup. I did that drill. I caught my homie on the way home. You know what I just did? He lost my virginity. You feel me? But yeah, man. That's the story. This probably was a short ass story time, I think. I don't know.
We on fire, we lick all us bricks. I killed your homie, now I'm with you blue like the Knicks. I told you I'm with the shits, 30 in my clip. I upped it in blue like a.
But you know I couldn't hit without the Condorowski.